Hi folks, this is ETprepper. We've got some kind of exciting news what's happening right now. As we speak, there's 5 perfect red heifers are being delivered to Israel. And what that means is they can consecrate the temple, or they can sacrifice the red heifers, and they do something with the ashes and so forth. I don't know all the details about it. But anyway, the bottom line here is these red heifers were needed to complete the what was needed to open up the third temple. And the third temple is a big prophetic event. So folks, things are moving. Things are really moving. The world is moving one way, and Christianity and Israel is moving another way, and everything is getting a big turmoil. So hang on to your hats, because stuff is really, really starting to happen. So as always, get ready. Get ready for what's coming. There's a lot coming down the pipe, and most of it is not exciting and fun. And so we all need to be prepared for, prepare for the worst and hope for the best. Thanks for watching.